believe. Hey guys, welcome back to Initial Speed. Back at it. Let me show you what the front yard looks like. Alright, well, the Jetta is lowered. So that's one thing down. The Audi, well, I mean, just look at it. It's ready to rock and roll. Sick. The Golf, well, it's got wheels on it. It's not lowered. The Beetle is wrapped, finally. The interior is in pieces. And the IS, we've started working on. But there's one more project. Alright, let's see if I can. Okay, there's the IS with the fenders and the bumper on. That thing's going to be so crazy nice. And then here's the project. Yep, an 87 Pontiac Fiero, the first North American vehicle, I believe, with a mid-engine. All the fluids are up front, and all the mechanicals are in the rear. Here, I'll let you get a better look. This thing needs work. Yep, a little V6 in there. I believe this is the 2.8. Have you guys seen these before? Let's show you the inside. The inside is rough. It is very dirty in here, but having the detailing background, I'm hoping that that will do the trick and make this thing look great. So, we're going to wash it, soak those bolts, the seat bolts, and remove the seats and get to detailing. So yes, I believe your golf clubs can fit in here, and a briefcase. Oh man. Not looking forward to detailing this thing. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I just want it done, right? Let's get into it. So it's washed. Needs a bit of a love still, but not bad for a wash. Do you want to see? Okay. Are you ready? What do you think? Looks pretty good when it's cleaned up, huh? I detailed the engine as well, because why not? I was already there. That's what she looks like now. She is pretty clean. Just showing you a little before, show you what I'm dealing with here. Coffee stains. I get some money out of it. Yeah, this is not nice. Alright, well, that's what it looks like now. Even the door. Let's see if we can make that look good. Alright, here goes. I had my head down and forgot to pick up the camera. So there's the floor now. Still has a little bit of staining here and there. But trust me, that's as good as it's gonna get unless I re-dye the carpet. That is taken care of. So this is what you're looking at. And then I decided I would go ahead and clean up under the frunk. So just finished rinsing it down after scrubbing it. It's not looking too bad. Not too bad. And now working on the actual trunk. Gonna try to make this look a little nicer. Let's see how far I can get. Okay, so vacuumed it, did a light shampoo on it. You can still see some stained spots. But anyone that knows about Fieros knows that this is pretty darn good. Because typically they get really rough in here. And typically the corners are the things that rust out. And you can see this one is in phenomenal shape. I had it appraised, and I think I have to get rid of it. I need the money. So after many hours, this is what we're left with. So the trunk is shampooed. The engine was shampooed, but I'm going to do it again, get those leaves out of the grate there. There's the door. Remember how dirty that handle was? Not anymore. And there's the carpet now, and the seat in it. And the driver's side. Seat's a little torn up, but you know, it is an 87, so kind of expected that, or should kind of expect that. Cleaned up the plastics, the frunk. Let's get a different view. Different angle. Okay, there you go. You can see how clean it is, scrubbed and dressed up. And the outside needs to be washed, but I won't do that until... I won't do that for right now. Gonna miss this car. Alright, send me offers.